This video illustrates the inspiring journey from an idea to a transformative enterprise vision through the AI Mind and the 63-engine NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise, Architecture. Using a futuristic dark-themed visual design, it demonstrates how artificial intelligence evolves beyond prediction into a governed intelligence ecosystem where data, analytics, governance, assurance, enterprise memory, and orchestration work together as one intelligent brain. The animation reinforces that innovation reaches its true value only when it is transparent, explainable, trusted, and aligned with enterprise governance. More than a technology showcase, the video presents a vision for the future of responsible AI. It encourages researchers, architects, business leaders, and technology professionals to embrace AI that is accountable, evidence-driven, and designed for enterprise trust. Guided by the philosophy AI thinks rightward arrow governance decides rightward arrow assure proves, the video demonstrates how NeuroGov Plus transforms intelligent systems into governed enterprise intelligence, where every decision is validated, every recommendation is supported by evidence, and every innovation contributes to a more trustworthy digital future. Thank you for watching the video. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.